Welcome to the project demonstration of biometric electronic voting machine. So here we are going to recognize the citizens based on the biometric sensor like R303 fingerprint module. So initially we need to enroll the particular citizens by using this enroll button, and if you want to format the whole citizens, this format button. So it will erase the button, erase the whole citizens. Then we'll explain you how to use these two buttons. And once the registered citizen places his finger on this fingerprint module, it will recognize the ID and display the respective ID number on this LCD screen, and it will allow the citizen to enroll his votes from these four control buttons. It's party 1, party 2, party 3, party 4. And after he selects this button, particular vote will be enrolled. And if he is trying to re-vote by his placing his finger again, then the system will identify that and display the LCD like already vote enroll, and it will give the buzzer alert. And so coming to this admin button, so the first citizen ID number first is going to be the admin, and who is registered initially after formation is going to be the first user, first admin. And then when he places finger after vote enroll, and when second time he places finger, then he need to hold the switch until the results will be displayed on this 16:2 screen. So this is the execution process. And coming to the interfacing connections and about the microcontroller. So this is a main motherboard along with the 18452 microcontroller, which will interface between the input and output modules. The input module is going to be the control buttons and fingerprint module, and these two are interfaced. Like coming to this fingerprint module interface at A0, A1, and these 5 control buttons interfaced at C0 to D0, and LCD is interfaced at B2 to B7, and enroll and format buttons at B0, B1, and buzzer at D2 pin along with LED indication. So coming to this motherboard, so from these 5 pins male connectors, we are going to load the X code into this microcontroller, and this one is the reset switch, and this steel plated one is crystal oscillator of 20 megahertz of frequency. And based on the 20 megahertz of clock frequency, the system will works and execute the instructions. So let us see the demonstration. In order to format the fingerprint store inside the module, so just provide the power supply, and now there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, and it will ask for the now it is in EVM mode. So in order to format mode, just hold this F button and restart. Hold until the LCD will show the format was done successfully. Yeah, right. So I'm repeating, showing that. Holding this button and restart. Press and hold tightly till right data erasing. Right. So please restart. So now the data inside this fingerprint mode got erased, and now restart. Again same thing for enrolling purpose. See, now actually no fingerprints got stored in this because total ID numbers got erased and voter ID doesn't exist, right? And now for enrolling purpose, just same here also restart till it will ask for place the finger for store, right? See, please place the finger to store now. So now just I am placing my finger, and this first finger, until you place a finger, until it will store the stored at 01, and then and there only remove the finger from the fingerprint scanner. So now stored at 01, this finger is going to be the admin. So now next. So like this we can store up to 99 citizens in this module. Actually we can program it to till 2000. So due to the memory limitation in this microcontroller, we programmed it for the 99, right? And the next fingerprint, when it show the stored edge, then only you can remove the finger. Until that, we should place the finger on this fingerprint scanner only. Right, I'm just storing the around right. Okay. Right. So like this we have stored around If you miss any ID numbers in that, no need to worry, because these will be like executed while the project is getting execution. So if you place the same finger second time for storage, right, so when we place the second time for the storage, that will show the finger is already registered now. So now let us go with the execution mode. Then we need to restart, because still it is in enrolling mode. So restart now, right? So let us go with from the second user onwards. Okay, place the finger as when we place it this for right, citizen 2, and now it is asking for us please vote. So just party 1. So if you place the same finger again, but vote already polled, and the next finger I'm just right, okay, and my vote right, and next, please vote, done. So we should place the finger when we place that the same manner of while enrolling. The little finger always makes some issues, because maybe edge. Leave what? Go to the admin. So now the one is the admin. Just he has to vote. Now his vote is done, and now hold this switch for results purpose. Vote already polled, but I hold the button to show the results. Now it will show the results. Party 1 and party 2 and party 3 and party 4 got 2 votes. So like this, we are going to achieving the electronic voting machine with help of fingerprint module. If I place any other finger again, those already polled the votes, then it will show the for all the polled persons. I think we didn't vote this finger, right? Right. Right. Okay. Right. Thank you for watching demo.